woke up yesterday. I'm gonna take God off for the cross. I'm gonna finish that bulk production here yesterday. Girl wake up 7:30 and find fault with the machine and clean it right down. Lift off this, take it off. All our one underneath here, so with the oil and everything. Take it out, drain out the oil, and wash it completely. Wash it completely and put new oil in it, and so say look clean now because I wash it down, but it was really dirty because it's on my veranda accumulating dirt. And this must take about 3 hours. Up to now I don't finish the production, but today I will be finishing because I'm just putting in the elastic bands really. So what I did yesterday was to cut out everything in the morning after I finish cleaning, and then I put everything together. So I do the same thing for all of the different prints one time. So everything that I'm doing to one, I'm doing it to all of them. So I must finish. So for example, I cut out everything, then I would stitch outside on all of them, and then I would turn it over and then put in the bands for everything. So thank God for my Marjorie, my mother, cause I don't know what my dad do. I'm really grateful because last night around 2 a.m. she was up with me. What she did was she folded the sides and pinned them so that I could just put in the pins this morning. So I'm really grateful. Yeah, so it's a lot of things that caused me to not finish my goal for yesterday, because you know you have to break, you eat something, make breakfast, make lunch, and then stop and you talk a little and you get a bit distracted, because I mean you're working for yourself. So yeah, the time is yours, but my goal is to complete it over the weekend. So yes, I'll be finishing these today. So because I have these already cut out, all I'll be doing is just putting in the elastic bands so I can complete. I have 50 to ship tomorrow, so those have to be completed. So don't mind my cocks in the background, they don't know when to crow. Like last night I was like, oh my god, when it was like to 12 they were crowing, and then by 12:30 I hear them a crow, and it's the first I recognize that there are so many, because by the time I hear the ones next door, I heard some like out a far distance. I had that to deal with last night too, but I guess they kept my company on the veranda, so yes, I appreciate them. Yes, so yeah. And just a disclaimer, actually is Kingston Roosters. Yes, they're Kingston, and I actually learned last night that they sleep in the tree and sometimes they'll actually fall out. So I learned that last night, so wasn't a bad thing. I finally finished my mass production. They are ready for shipment. Yes, and I actually got these bags from PriceSmart. All you have to do is tear the seal off. Tear the seal off from here, and then you fold it over and it sticks. The business cards, I actually have them from last year. and I created them myself. Yes, I did. So yes, they are ready for shipment. Guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, share and comment below. Thank you for watching.